round 3. I don't know if that other one was music or not. You'll know if it was music or not because it was around the music. But anyways, here we are, round 3 here at the car show. Beautiful day to videotape. So there we go. See all kinds of different kind of Mustangs and cool as hell. Do like a parade. It's the first day, so a lot of people just getting here. If you ever see any 1975 Monte Carlos, make sure you get them because they were all smashed up in Enduros. This bad boy's nice. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy. That's cool. 1963 Nova. Nice. Look at that bad boy. All right, let's go on over here. Got some Monties over here. So, like I said, you see all kinds of different kind of cars here, of ones you're not going to see anywhere else. Station wagons, Monties. If you ever see any Monte Carlos, make sure 75s they were smashed up in Enduros. Pick them up because they were beat to crap. Have a cool little Monty here. Dale Earnhardt. Nice. That's a nice SS. Very nice. Nice. Very cool. Always liked the old Monte Carlos. Those are really, really nice. Those are cool as hell. Oldsmobiles. You know, the girl I worked at Perkins, she had a Cutlass. It was I don't know, 73 or 4. It was gorgeous purple. Oh, she treated that thing with, that was such a nice vehicle. Look at that bad boy. GTO. Didn't know that. Oh, still nice. I'll take it. God, look at that motor. Easy to get at. Got the old wagon over there. Some Monte Carlos over there. Very nice. It's 1970. That gets up and goes. Oh my goodness. Here comes a Chevy Impala Custom 69. That's a nice Cutlass. Very nice. Very nice. That's a nice one. Look at that. Suicide doors. Nice. This is a Pontiac Grand Prix, the sister to the Monte Carlo. Love the suicide doors, classic. Very nice. Yeah. How big those engines are. The reason they liked the Enduros is there was a big space between the fan and you take a shot. If you ever seen any old Monties, pick them up because they were smashed up in Enduros. Whole bunches of them. Nice. Beautiful vehicle. Love it. Nice. All red. Sweet. Nice. Shelby. That's right there. This is kind of nice. This Camaro. This is nice. Very nice. Nice. Very nice. Oh yeah. Now we get an AMC in here. 390, that's nice. Love it. Nice. Super Sport. '65 Chevy. Yep. There it is. Shift on the ground there. The old AM radio in there. Nice. All black. Nice. Classic. Yep. Yeah, it's always cool to see my first cars come over here. Another one coming up here. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. 327. Look at that bad boy. Just a straight 65 Chev, but still nice. I love to have an SS convertible. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's the old 327. They'll go forever. The old 4-door. Regal. Go over here. There's a 70 Impala over here. Gotta get that a little love. Nice white one. Very nice. Love these old Impalas. I had a 4-door. 350. Classic vehicle right there. It's a great family event. You see another 65 Chevy over there. El Camino. Nice. 71 SS. My wife. 2007 Chevy. For sale. That's a nice nice one right there. I like that behavior, huh? Nice. Heck yeah. Here's that 65, here's another 65 Chevy over here. Green one. Very, very nice. Love these. I love the old Impalas. The olds. And usually you can see right on here will tell you, the old days, they put the year right on here. You could look, see what year it was. It would tell you, and it would say right on there. But, yep. Nice. There's a black one over there. That's one I just saw. But, nice. Nice. Very, very nice. Gotta like that, man. Got some over here. Very nice. Very, very nice. So anyways, as you can tell, it goes a pretty good circle. So we'll end it here. We'll carry on.